So I was gifted this Garvee Chaise lounge. Now this is the 45-inch long Chaise lounge. And for once I didn't have to actually put something together. It came in a small box and honestly all you have to do is pull a tab and it unravels to this guy right here. And I will say that this is like super comfortable. It is super soft, which I can't stop rubbing it. It's that soft. But it does have the corduroy look to it. And obviously this is the green, but they do have many colors available. Now, as far as this Chaise lounge, it does have the length, like I said, of 45 inches long. However, the width on this is 30 inches wide. However, the seat area is only going to give you 17.3 inches of space here. So if you are a bigger person, you might want to look into the one that has the wider width to it. And they do have that available as well. The cushions on this are super squishy and, like I said, super soft, and it does actually have a pillow to it as well, so you could use it just as the Chaise. However, I do recommend putting the pillow back there because it's so much more comfortable. Now this is the bottom side of the unit. It is a non-slip type fabric to it, so you're not going to have to worry about this moving on the floor. So all in all, if you're looking for a compressed Chaise lounge, something that you're not going to have to put together, that builds itself basically, you may want to consider this one. It's not only comfortable, but it's super soft.